Question number 30. A magnet attached to a spring oscillates above a coil as shown. The period of the oscillation is T. Okay. The graph shows the variation with time T of the current I in the coil. Okay. So you get a sinusoidal output when the magnet goes inside the coil and comes out of the coil. That's fine. And now, what is the amplitude of the magnet's oscillation is now decreased. Okay. Initially, the oscillation here was too high, so you got a larger current. When the oscillation reduces, what happens to the current? Current also reduces. What is he asking? What is the new variation of I with T? The current reduces. So here the current is not reducing, but the oscillation has now produced a value here. So actually it should complete one full curve. It's not for it. So it is now showing over here. So this is incorrect. Current is not reducing. Here current remains the same. Not correct. And then here current has reduced. Okay, but you see it has not completed one full cycle. So this is incorrect. Here it has completed one full cycle. At the same time the current has reduced. D is the right.